hit 40 and your retirement account looking like a tip jar at a coffee shop with a couple of dollars and somebody's old gift card. Don't panic, because I'm about to show you 3 money moves that actually matter in your 40s. And baby, your 40s are not the decade to freestyle financially. This is the either you build wealth or become Walmart's greeter with high blood pressure decade. And move number 3, that's the one almost nobody does. And honestly, it's probably the most important one. Now, first, let me depress you real quick. If you are 40 years old right now, you probably got around 20-ish years before retirement. That sounds like a long time until you realize compound interest moves like a lazy crocodile at first, then suddenly turns into a financial crackhead. That first decade matters way more than people think, because the difference between investing at 40 versus 50, that ain't just 10 years. That could literally be hundreds of thousands of dollars. That's the difference between retiring in peace and asking customers if they want paper or plastic at age 73. And here's the problem. Your 40s are where lifestyle creep becomes a full-time demon. This is the decade where people say, I deserve it. Girl, you deserve savings. People hit 40 and suddenly every purchase got to look like a music video. Luxury SUV, $300 brunches, kitchen appliances that got Wi-Fi. Why is my toaster connecting to Bluetooth? Make the bread hot and mind your business. People got refrigerators smarter than their retirement plan. And the dangerous part, most people in their 40s look rich. That's the trap. Nice apartment, nice car, nice shoes, nice vacations. Meanwhile, their investment account sitting in the corner looking dehydrated and neglected, like, so we just not contributing this month either. So let's talk about move number 1. Kill your high interest debt aggressively. And no, I don't mean making minimum payments until the sun explodes. I'm talking war, because credit card interest is financial poison wearing a cute outfit. If your card charging 25% interest, that means your money is losing 25% guaranteed. You know how hard investors work to get 10% returns? Meanwhile, your Visa card robbing you blind in broad daylight wearing a fake smile. That anxiety got you checking your phone at 2 a.m, like the FBI about to kick down your door. That's not living. That's surviving with good Wi-Fi. So here's what you do. You stop being emotional with debt. Stop randomly paying whatever bill hurt your feelings that week. You attack the highest interest first. That's the leak sinking the boat. And once that debt disappears, now you got cash flow. And cash flow changes everything, because move number 2 is investing aggressively during your 40s. This is the decade where a rich future you gets built, not your 20s, your 40s, because most people finally have decent income in their 40s. The problem is they upgrade their lifestyle instead of upgrading their assets. Every raise becomes bigger car, bigger apartment, bigger expenses, bigger stupidity. Congratulations, you got promoted into being broke with leather seats. Let me show you something that'll make you sick to your stomach. If you invest $1,500 a month starting at 40, by 65, you could have over $1 million. If you wait until 50, you'd need to invest $3,500 a month to catch up. Same finish line, twice the sweat. You really want to work that hard at 50? And please automate your investing, because if your investing strategy depends on motivation, baby, you already lost. Motivation disappears. The second target put decorative candles on sale. One throw pillow later and your Roth IRA contributions mysteriously vanish. Automation is what wealthy people do differently. Rich people remove themselves from the process because they know they can't trust their emotional spending habits. Direct deposit hit, money gone, invested before you can say, let me just treat myself real quick. No, sit down. You treated yourself 47 times this month already. Now, move number 3. This one right here changes lives. Create a second stream of income from what you already know. This is where people in their 40s are sitting on a gold mine and don't even realize it. By 40, you probably got 20 years of experience doing something. Sales, nursing, management, fitness, hair, construction, real estate, customer service, tech, parenting, surviving corporate stupidity. That knowledge has value, but most people only use their skills one way, at a job. That's it. They got millionaire knowledge trapped inside employee behavior. That's like owning a Ferrari and only using it to sit in a school pickup line. And no, I'm not telling you to quit your job and become an entrepreneur tomorrow. Relax, Shark Tank. I'm saying create one extra income stream: consulting, coaching, digital products, content, freelancing, teaching something, because extra income invested properly becomes wealth acceleration fuel. Your job income already pays your bills. So your second income, that money can go straight into investments. An extra $1,500 a month from consulting invested automatically from age 42 to 62 at 7% becomes approximately $780,000. That's not a fantasy. That's arithmetic. And you built it on knowledge you already have. And honestly, the biggest reason people fail financially isn't lack of money. It's lack of structure. People think wealthy people got superhuman discipline. No, they don't. They just build systems. Systems beat emotions every time, because emotions say treat yourself. Systems say absolutely not. Big Bertha, you already own 12 robes and 4 air fryers. So let's recap the 3 moves. 1, destroy high interest debt. 2, invest aggressively and automate it. 3, turn your experience into extra income. That's it. Not flashy, not sexy, not fake guru nonsense, just repeatable wealth building mechanics. And listen carefully, your 40s are not too late. That's a lie broke people tell themselves so they can avoid changing. Your 40s might actually be your most powerful financial decade, because now you finally got income, experience, wisdom, and enough trauma to stop making dumb decisions. Hopefully, because wealth ain't built from looking rich. It's built from owning assets quietly, while everybody else out here financing a lifestyle they can't actually afford. Real wealth is peace. Real wealth is options. Real wealth is waking up without panic attached to your bank account. And the beautiful part, you can still build that starting now.